My name's Jeremy Ray. I'm a volunteer warden with the West Midlands Bird Club at Blithfield Reservoir. We're talking today about the new Tern Raft that we've been lucky enough to get here because of the help from the PEBBLE Fund. Common terns naturally nest on coastline. One of the problems is the lesser sand eel, which is their staple diet, has very much declined in numbers and quality. Terns in their natural habitat are now spending more time away from the nest as they have to go further to forage for food. This leaves the nests unattended and it leaves the chicks and eggs very vulnerable to predators. Tern rafts make the birds very much safer because they are out and away from natural predators. These are mostly non-native species like mink, brown rat and grey squirrel, and of course the natural red fox also can devastate them if it finds their nests and chicks. We've been lucky enough to have some financial help from the PEBBLE Fund. We wouldn't have been able to afford a second raft. We already had one which was funded about 4 years ago, and in the last 2 years we've probably had between 25 and 30 common terns fledge from that. Now with this new raft coming, we think we can nearly double those numbers. You can see from the film of the raft the perspex guards, which are primarily there to stop mink getting aboard it. The pipes are painted white so that they reflect the sun and are there so that the young chicks have got somewhere, one, to get out of the elements, and also if there's any predators like lesser blackback gulls trying to cause them trouble. The pebbles are actually from Scotland. They come from Scottish shores and they are very much the natural habitat for terns to nest in. We are making a significant effort to help the common tern here at Blithfield Reservoir.